Talk to us a bit about the basics of the structure of fascia then.
Well, the fascia is created by a cell called a fibroblast. So I guess similar to an osteoblast, where we see trabeculi being laid down, that's also happening in a fascial medium. The fascial structure is being created by the fibroblast, and the fibroblast is a cell with many tentacles, simply put, and quite fuzzy, a bit like my head. So it's got cilia all over it, and has something called a primary cilia, which is more of a stiffened structure, and they're direction sensitive. So the more we start to put regular movements through the body in particular directions, the fibroblasts will organise themselves along those particular directions, and then the fibroblasts are producing collagen, elastin and reticulin, and they're also producing a fluid base for them to live in called ground substance, so glycoaminoglycans. And it has to borrow Tom Meyer's words, it's basically snot. It's got a kind of gooey, mucousy kind of quality to it. And that material, that wet stuff, can either have a lot of glide to it, or sometimes it can thicken and becomes a bit too sticky. What's recently understood now is that fibroblasts are interconnected. Every fibroblast connects to another, one way or the other. So what we have from head to foot and skin to depth is almost a unicellular web. So we could say that within the fascial network is another connected network of cells, and they are all feeling stresses and strains and so on. So the primary ingredients are the collagen, the elastin, reticulin within that fluidy network. And our primary protein for the human and animal kingdom as a vertebrate is collagen.